Welcome back to another Core 4x4 video. In the last video you saw that we installed a new drag link and a tie rod. So since we installed them, it does need to get aligned. So we have Trevor, one of our machinists, who is actually going to be giving it an alignment today. So I figured I'd bring you guys with and show you that process. So for the JL, what would the process be of getting this aligned correctly?
So right now the process is I'm going to go through and do a pre-alignment check on it. So I'm going to go through and make sure all the control arm bushings are good, all the joints are tight. I'm going to check the track bars. I'm also going to check the sway bars. I want to make sure that there's nothing else that can cause alignment issues before I go through and align it. So that's kind of where I'm at in the process.
She looks magnified up on this lift. So how was it driving it over here, by the way?
Oh, it was so much fun. It really wasn't too bad.
The alignment, so we measured it pretty on par when we... Yeah, that's good, that's good. At least our install was pretty on point. We measured it so that the new components are fairly close to the old ones. So aligning on, let's say, like a lifted Jeep or a modified vehicle like this, does it change the alignment process?
Not really if you buy good parts. Because if you buy a nice adjustable steering and steering and control arms, not really. Because you can still then go in and fine tune those, the alignment angles. But if you get like a fixed length control arm, then you can't really change anything. So yeah, if you get good parts, then it won't really affect the process. Of course, it's like a billion pounds.
Yeah, put your back into it.
There we go.
Yeah. That's the current, right?
Yeah, so that's its current toe.
That's awesome.
So what we'll do, break the jam nuts loose on that tie rod, and then we'll turn it in. I think we'll have to turn it in to bring the toe in, and then we'll do that rolling compensation test again. With what Dennis was talking about, screwing this in a full or half turn at a time, you can do that, but then if you only do a half turn at a time, then you're gonna be fighting your Zerk. So that's why I was gonna do a full turn at a time. So this is doing my thrust angle.
So we have the JL all finished up here. Trevor went and worked his alignment magic to go ahead and get it straight. So it should be driving down the road straight and no longer crab walking and no longer go pulling left to right, right?
Exactly, yeah. So we went through, adjusted the toe on it. We did a little bit of the caster adjustment on it, in front and the rear. The rear we fixed up some of the thrust angle issues, so it's not gonna be crab walking anymore. So yeah, now it's good to go.
All right. Woo! Super glad that we got a proper alignment on the JL. Thank you, Trevor, again, for showing us how that's done. And you know, having a proper alignment is really important, not only for even tread wear on all of your tires, but the longevity of a lot of the components, hubs and ball joints and suspension components that are on your car, and for safety. If your toe is off by a lot, you know, your car may tend to dart around. So getting a proper regular alignment on not only your daily drivers but your project cars is really, really important. So thanks again for tuning in and watching this process. You guys have a good one. I'll see you in the next one.